Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to show notification on the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you guys often miss notification, you need to display notification on the lock screen so you won't miss notification again. And how to display notification on the lock screen is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then now you can go to notification, and then here now you can go to lock screen notification, and then now you can turn on lock screen notification. Alright guys, so yeah, the notification will display to your lock screen right now. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.